Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. This week, we are going to make the ultimate cookie, chocolate chip cookies. I'm really excited about this episode because chocolate chips are my favorite cookie, and I love to load mine with tons of chocolate chips because what's not to love about more chocolate? So let's get started. First, start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and lining your baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, whisk together and set aside. In a stand mixer or using your hand mixer, mix together both of your sugars and vanilla extract. Then pour in your melted butter and cannabis butter. Beat well until everything is combined and then add your eggs one at a time. Then add your flour mixture gradually as the mixer is still running. Finally, add your chocolate chips. I always use dark chocolate when I'm baking because I love that rich chocolatey flavor. But of course, you can always use bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now drop your cookie dough in large tablespoons onto your prepared cookie sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are slightly brown. You can also add chopped walnuts to your cookie recipe, but personally, I like my chocolate chip cookies with just chocolate chips. A lot of chocolate chips. So here is our finished chocolate chip cookie. It is loaded with chocolate chips and nicely golden brown around the edges. It's also still soft on the inside, which is how I love my cookies. I love a good, chewy, soft cookie. It smells amazing and I can't wait to taste it, so let's go for it. Can you see all those chocolate chips in there? I love it. These are so simple, but I really don't think you can find a better cookie than a classic chocolate chip cookie. I also love how the dash of cinnamon just gives it a little something extra. You can't really taste it, but you definitely know that this is a special cookie. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Go subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again. Bye guys.